Woo. Hello guys, welcome back to How to and Tips. And great news comes that our Jaguarundi, the folding bike, finally arrived at our warehouse. And I believe some of you guys have enjoyed riding with your Jaguarundi. Also, actually I borrowed one from our factory and I enjoyed testing ride this Jaguarundi. If you haven't subscribed us yet, please hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, and please hit the like button, that is very important to me. Today I'm going to tell you some tips about our Jaguarundi and my feelings about this Jaguarundi, and I have rode this Jaguarundi for about 1 month. So let's go! First of all, I have to tell you, this Jaguarundi, the folding bike, is absolutely suitable for commuting. Actually, this is the first impression when I saw this Jaguarundi, the folding bike. And my experience last month proved that I am correct. Because if you ride your just Magicycle Jaguarundi to your office room and you just put it in your office room, then you don't need to worry about the baddies hanging on the street, and you don't need to worry about that your bike will be stolen or something like that. And because this is a folding bike, it saves much space. So what you need to do, the only thing you need to do is fold your bike and put that bike in the corner of your office room. And when you are off duty, ride it home. That's it. Very convenient. And second, again, I have to tell you, this is a folding bike. That means it saves much place. And like if you want to travel far, you can just put this bike in the trunk of your car and then go to the mountain, forest, whatever, to the lake. So you don't need to spend another like $300 for a bike rack. That's it. Very convenient. Again, very convenient. What's more, because Jaguarundi, the folding bike, has Kenda 20 inches fat tire, and the fat tire is puncture resistant, so it's totally fine for you to ride off-road. And because Magicycle folding bike is equipped with 52-volt system and it has a 600-watt motor, so like if you want to ride on the hill or some slope, that is totally fine. You can ride it. And what's more, because Jaguarundi is a step-through bike, so you don't have a hard time getting on the bike. So very easy, very simple, and very powerful. So now in front of the camera is our Jaguarundi folding bike, fully assembled and are ready to go anytime. So now let me tell you actually how do you fold this Jaguarundi folding bike. This lever is what we hold to fold down the handlebar. And actually, if you just pull it, you'll find no matter how hard you pull it, you cannot move it a little bit. That is because there is a safety spring mechanism, and you have to hold it and then pull the lever. Then you can fold the handlebar. Also, in the middle of the bike, you can find the joint here. Same as the lever on the handlebar, there is also a protective mechanism right here, and you have to pull it, push it forward and then pull the lever. Or the bike cannot be folded because the joint or the lever cannot be moved, okay? Then just push it forward and pull the lever and then fold the bike backward, then it's done. When the first time I heard of Jaguarundi or folding bike, actually I doubt its safety, because if the joint part is barely connected by the quick release lever or something like that, I think it will be easily collapse or something like that. And the fact is, I'm too stupid to judge the professional engineering team, and those safety mechanisms just ease the anxiety. So don't doubt about it, don't need to worry about it. This folding bike is absolutely safe. From my point of view, Jaguarundi just changes my thoughts of an e-bike or a folding e-bike. It's very sturdy, very safe, and also playful. So if you are thinking of getting a folding e-bike but you are worried about the quality, the payload, the range, the power, whatever, Jaguarundi is absolutely your choice. So if you want to get your Jaguarundi right now, you can click the link in our description and click the affiliate link and you can get it right now. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. And also, if you haven't subscribed us yet, subscribe us and you won't miss the update. So that's it. This is our bike view of our Jaguarundi, and don't forget, put the notification, and then we'll see you in the next update, okay? See you in the next update.